Hi friends, I'm Abhilasha.
I'm Rekha.
We both congratulate you on the clearance of first level of NID entrance. And here, through this video, we would like to share our views and some tips on the second level of NID, that is Studio Test.
Studio Test is a 48-hour workshop which will be conducted in NID campus at Ahmedabad. Get your tickets booked because you have to stay there for 2 days for a series of tests. Now let's discuss about those tests stepwise. Over to Abhilasha.
So here at AFA, we're gonna taught you how to go for the creative skills. There are few creative skills which are taught at NID Studio Test as well. So we will take you to all the creative exercises which are being taught at AFA with our team members, as well as we will tell you how to go about the Studio Test conducted at NID Ahmedabad. We will like to share our views on all the creative skills.
First test will be doodle exercise. Doodling is creating something meaningful with the given vague unplanned lines. These exercises may be given in 3-4 sheets in the form of 3-4 boxes. You need to solve them one by one. They may be solved in any direction. You may create an object, animal, bird or a landscape out of it, but don't forget giving a caption to it. Time limit for this exercise may be 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Now Shrikant will explain you how to solve the doodle exercises.
Hi, I'm Shrikant and let's start with the doodle exercise. In a doodle exercise there are multiple number of lines given and you have to make each line with a specific theme. And let's start with this. This is an angular line and you can make any object, any composition and any living or non-living object without of it. And let's start. The moon and the star is showing the night scene and the person is dreaming some emotions or moments. So the title for this you can give The Dream. Second, you can make an autumn leaf which is falling from the tree and which depicting the autumn season. And adjacent to this you can make multiple number of leaves in different directions and draw some rhythmic lines to show the airy effect or the dramatic theme in the box. And the next block, let's try to make some different themes in this. This can be a thunder, and behind this thunder we can create a cloud theme. The theme would be thunder. Next, can be the flowers. and the craft works on it. Second last, this can be the beak of a cock, which sounds as a rooster in the morning, like an alarm clock. And for the dramatic, you can create the musical symbols out of it. This heart type shape, but I'm not going to make the heart type theme over this. The symbol is showing the love type theme, so I can make a mother's love out of it. This can be the bun of a lady. Ears, the bindi, and eyes. That's it.
Next will be 3D model making.
So the next exercise which we're gonna step onto is the 3D modeling exercise. 3D model, as the name suggests, you have to create a structure out of the model given at NID Studio Test. It is basically based on skills, your creativity, thinking out of the box, material manipulation and hands-on activity. By hands-on activity, we really mean how patiently, how creatively you mix the material and create a structure out of it. 3D model making also has a time frame which land up from 35 to 45 minutes.
Let's see some of the PPTs, some of the slides which AFA student has solved in AFA, in which they have used different type of material to solve the previous year questions. These previous year questions with the suggested solutions, I hope will help you a lot. Next step will be clay modeling. You may be provided with different types of clay. It may be potter's clay, it may be a plasticine clay or a porcelain clay. You may be provided with some tools or maybe with no tool, as NID suggests that your hands are your best tools. For example, create a container inspired from flora which can hold 200 ml of water in it. Now again, let's see some more solved questions which will give you an idea how to use different type of clays during your test. Time for this test may also be given as 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Let's again switch over to Abhilasha for the next try.
Thank you, Rekha. That was quite interesting. So we will step on to the next level, that is wire molding. As the name suggests, wire molding, where you need to give some twists, some turns, some bending, some twisting of the wires, which depends on the thickness of the wires given at NID Studio Test. By creating an armature, by creating a structure, you actually step on to the next level of creating a 3D model out of it.
You may be provided with different type of wires with different type of instructions, maybe like do not cut your wire, do not use any type of adhesive, and you need to create something meaningful out of it. Should I tell you one of the question? For example, with the given wire, marble and cloth rack, you need to create a crown or a headgear. Sounds interesting? Yes?
Yeah.
So let's again discuss about the next round of test, which is known as performance perceptual test. These tests are again taken in 2 rounds. They may call it thematic apperception or psychometric test, or they may take your audio-visual test. So let's over to Abhilasha for thematic apperception or psychometric test.
So these are the tests, as Rekha said, are thematic apperception, which refers to the performance perceptual test. Performance perceptual test, which depends on the observation, which depends on your attentiveness, which depends on your alertness and your thinking and your presence of mind and spontaneous replies to the question asked by the interviewer or by the NID studio test people. So here you have to focus on how attentive you are, how you are responding to the questions there. For an example, if they suddenly ask you, if you are sitting in your room and watching a very nice movie, which is your favorite cartoon or maybe a movie, and suddenly you felt an earthquake, what will you do next? So that was the question which they asked in some of the previous year questions. Or maybe they can ask you really, if you are sitting on the table and suddenly you felt your room catch fire, what are the 5 things you will get through, and what are the 5 things you will rescue? So these are some of the questions you have to go about it.
They might ask you to smell a pudding kept in front of you and guess the ingredients of it, right?
Yeah, or maybe which pungent smell is it? So they make you blindfold, they make you sit in a room where there are different sounds or maybe there are different smells. So you have to observe yourself, you have to observe the environment and the scenario and come up with some creative ideas out of it. Yeah, so that was quite interesting for you guys. I guess here you have to be very alert and attentive. So let's step on to the next level.
Audio-visual test.
Audio-visual test, yeah.
Audio-visual test again will test how good you are in listening and how good you are in observing things. For example, they might show you number of slides and they ask you to recognize what objects they are, and here will be the test of your memory because you may have to write them in ascending or descending order. Maybe they'll change the color of the object and they'll ask you to guess what the original color of the object was. Or they might show you some visual and they ask you to suggest some sound for it, and they ask you to guess what all musical instruments you will include for suggesting its sounds. In the audio test, they'll ask you, they'll make you listen certain type of audios and they'll ask what sounds they were, maybe like sound of a moving train or a printer or a sword, or if it's raining outside, how it sounds, something similar. I hope it was very informative. I hope I'm very clear.
Yeah, so that was really good, Rekha. So now we would like to tell you that we are providing you a shoulder to step on level of NID studio test. Here we are just gonna tell you what we are being taught at AFA with our students who have come up with really very wonderful and creative